All right, hello everybody, and thanks for joining me for this video. And right now I got everything all set up. I'm about to get that aim just right. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm going to take and start my campfire. I got everything set up. Got the wood set up here already. My first campfire of the season here for the year. Well, I got my food in there. I'll get that. I'll show you what I'm going to be cooking in a little bit here. But I take and get this lit, and then talk to you in a little bit. Okay, this fire was not exactly too good. This was the second time I had to get it lit. But anyways, it's about 20 to 9 right now. Let's see if it'll catch now. But anyways, like I said, here's what I'm going to be cooking tonight. Pork chops in a cast iron pan there. But hopefully that fire will. Of course, there's my. Gonna have the s'mores, and there's the giant marshmallows. Yeah. I'm gonna take and season pork chops with. I'm almost out of this, but I have this just in case. I thought I had more of this. This is what I was planning on it, but I'm almost out. So I'm not sure if there's enough in there for it. But if I don't have enough, then this is a backup. That'll work on pork too. But you know, this seasoning. Anyways, I'm going to take and wait for that fire to get going more, and then I can start to put the cast iron pan on there and hopefully heat it up enough and start cooking. Yep, I had enough. But it's all empty now. Got to season both sides, so that's ready. See, go check and see how the campfire's holding up. Okay, I think it's gonna work, I hope. Ooh. Well, we'll see. You can see that my that fire starting log is working fine. That's burning. The wood kind of is. Let's hope it catches. Yeah, wood's not the best, but let's just give it time. Beautiful. I love camping. That's how it looks like right now. And sunset, I think it's about 9:15 or something. So a little over half hour away. Or probably less than half an hour away now. But anyways, I'm going to just take and wait for the fire to get going more, and then talk to you later. Yeah, still not burning really good, but I got that on there just to get whatever heat I can. Hopefully it'll warm up. Of course, I don't have I just put the pan on there. Yeah, warm that up before I can heat that up before I put the pork chops on. Yeah, this firewood is not good. Oh, terrible. Have to keep spraying the lighter fluid and try to get it to go, but oh well. Try to get that on there while that thing's still burning to get some heat. Alright, I put a second fire starter log down there. Not really a log, but a piece. I put it underneath there more. The first one I pushed more underneath there, so hopefully it'll burn up into the wood. But it's still not hot enough yet. I decided just to put those on anyways. Hopefully it's just going to take longer. Maybe the fire will finally take and it'll get hot enough. But as backup, just in case, you know, I do have my propane stove thing that I can use if I really have to. But we'll try this for a while yet. Gosh, that firewood sucks. Oh, I forgot to take a look what time it was. Probably after 9 by now. This is what the campground looks like right now. Nice and quiet and calm. If only that campfire can just get going. Okay, talking a little bit. Okay, I did set up my propane stove. This is just not really working here. I have them on there. They're made of just cooking barely, but I'm going to have to finish it on that propane stove instead. I don't like putting the heavy cast iron pan on it, but you know, what choice do I have? Well, it's about, what was it? Yeah, it was 9:36 when I started this clip. I looked at the time right before I started it. So the sun has set and it's getting dark, it's getting cooler. I still can see with the camera. If I zoom out, you know, it kind of gets darker, but that's accurate right there. Yeah, getting dark. Yeah, look at that. Flame just went out now. Okay. All right, I'm going to talk to you later. All right. See, now it's sizzling. It actually fits on it pretty good, actually. So see, you got my light on now. Let's go on this side so you can have a... Alright, as far as the campfire, I'm just gonna... Oh, okay, you can't... Really can't see it like that. After a while, yeah, later on I'm gonna dump water on it just to finish that off. And tomorrow night I got more, I got another package of firewood. I didn't want to use this firewood only had like 5 logs in it. I wish it had more. I think it would have been better, but so tomorrow night I'm going to have those logs join this one. I'll try again tomorrow night. Maybe it'll work better. But anyways, we got these sizzling now. I'm going to flip them over in a second here. And then I'll be able to eat. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, they may not be pretty, but at least they're cooked. Oh, man. Couple pork chops. So I'm going to take a bite of this and see how they turned out. Should probably document this first bite at least. Just take a bite out of it like this. Mmm. Excellent. Wow. Wow. Luckily, I had that propane stove to be able to finish up the cooking, and so I'll try the campfire tomorrow night. hopefully it'll be better then. But anyways, I'm going to take and enjoy this, and we'll talk in a little bit. Yeah, it's good. All right, well, everybody, that was not an ideal campfire tonight. But anyways, at least the pork chop turned out good. I got to using the propane stove, so luckily I had that with. Then I did roast one marshmallow just now, and you could barely do that even, but that was good too. But I'm gonna just save the rest for tomorrow night, and so it's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully tomorrow night's campfire goes better than this one. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, so the next video will be tomorrow morning. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.